This is the map of Colonial Fairfield, 1779, 250 years ago, that hangs in the old town hall, town clerk's office. So there's no question on who Fairfield is. I mean, after all, it's in the name, Fairfield. We are blessed with spectacular natural scenery from upland woodlands to the coastal and marsh and beach area. It's just A plus. It's actually remarkable that nothing has changed. We still have the 5 miles of uninterrupted beach, the four major bodies of water coming off of that: Sasko, Mill River, Pine Creek and the tidal estuary, and Ash Creek and its estuary. Then historic Route 1, which runs from Southport all the way for 7 miles to Ash Creek and the border of Bridgeport. And the seven main neighborhoods, aside from historic downtown, like Rome, Fairfield was built on seven hills: Sasko Hill, Greenfield Hill, Mill Hill, Osborne, Round Hill, Toilsome, and Holland Hill. There's also a Pudding Hill in Stratfield on the map. No mention of the Tunxus Hill, which community came later and borders the well-known harbor and identified area of Black Rock. Starting there in Ash Creek at the Six Corner intersection, all this can be opened up by the town at a very nominal cost for active recreation, trails, biking, hiking, fishing, kayaking, and access to other points of interest. You can link that community hard on 95 up with the rest of Black Rock East. They're isolated right now. All you have to do is follow Ash Creek down and develop it. Behind these properties right here, through Autotown, and then it empties onto Black Rock, where it becomes the Ash Creek section of Black Rock. All that shall be converted into Black Rock Park and follow it with the estuary out to the Sound. This can all again be active recreation and research with aquaculture, bivalves, mussels, as well as kayaking, fishing, clamming. Then it comes out here to the beach at Ash Creek and Jennings Beach. We have 5 miles of coastline. All this can be protected as the Long Island Sound Wildlife Natural Refuge or similar name, linking up with other properties across the Sound, such as Halleck State Park and Teddy Roosevelt's Oyster Bay Sanctuary. Then we open up access to all this back here where the landfill is and the pond, and we move up through Pine Creek and follow all that and link it back up with Route 1 downtown. Have innovative solutions where we punch holes in the underpass under the train line and create ribbon parks that connect with the train station, which we convert into Fairfield Park. And it'll all be interconnected there. Create an exit 20 northbound off 95 to take pressure off Mill Plain Road and exit 21 and develop the ecotourism there. Then the same thing is true with the service plaza. You convert that into the scenic overlook, overlooking the Sound, establish Fairfield's reputation as this place of wonder and splendor. And then all of Route 1 is the transit-oriented district and is historic and is protected